This is how we rule. Alright, so what does the rule say when you combining two functions? Step one. See the last function? Like how in this case, g is the last function, you're gonna write back all of the last function. Now g says 6x plus 2. So you write back that and you put that in bracket. Why we do that? This is our x in f. So we're gonna write f now without the x. So it's like you're writing back the same 3x plus 5. So this is 3, this is x plus 5. It's that simple. So the second function, the last function, that becomes the x in the first function. So you can just write back the first function and then you put the other terms around it without the x because this is the x. So as this there, it's 3x, all of this is x plus 5. So we just write in back the first function. And then now you can expand. So it will be 3 times 6, which is 18. 3 times 2, 6, and then we add the 5. These are the only like terms, so it would be 18x plus 11. It's that simple. So the last function that you write first, and then you write the first function without the x. And do whatever operation they say they want you to do. Alright, so the last function is going to be the first thing we put in. That's going to be the x in the first one. Now, h says 4x, 8x plus 2. So write back all of 8x plus 2. This is our x in g. So now we're going to write back g. This is how simple it is. We're going to write back g, which is 5x plus 3. But guess what? This is the x. The error that students make is this. They will do this. I've seen it so many times. They put the 5x there. So when they multiply now, they might get 40x squared and all of them something. Alright, you do not put the x because that is our x. And then we expand the bracket 5 times 8, 40. 5 times 2, 10. And then we add the 3. These are the only like terms. Alright. So it's 40x plus 13, the 10 plus the 12. And that's it. Alright. Got it a while ago. So, alright. So h is the last function this time. Guys, remember, you know, it's not the last function I write up here, so it's the last function. So this is the first, and this is the last. Or if I want to say second, right? Whichever way you look at it. So this is h, right? So you write back this. I'm sure no one next you used to look on it. I used to teach at St. Mary's College. You used to look on it different and you get it right every single time. I'm going to show you how I look on it. Alright, so now we're going to write back g. So g is 7x, so 7x plus 3. The only thing we can't mean, guys, is turn it around by mistake. So 7, 5, 35. Don't forget the x. 7, 4 is 28. And then add the 3. These are the only like terms. Notice we have an x term on this. Alright, this is how Quasar used to look at it, guys. What him used to say, sir, may I focus on the first function. So what him do, him write 7, then him put a bracket, and then him put plus 3. And then him just drop in, whichever work for you guys, I don't have a problem. This is how he used to look at it. And get them right every single time. Same thing, see? So if you want to say focus on the first fraction, where x there, you put in the second function, that can work too. I think somebody said that they prefer that as well. Whichever work for you, as long as it works every time. Alright. Let's try another one. Go on this all. All right. Make it interesting without negative.
Sir, morning.
Yeah, man. So you go. Enough people in the here because of the weather. I never get to keep my pep class neither. So you go. Alright guys, try this one. GF of X.
Sir, check for Mary, please. Check for Mary.
Alright, no problem. So F at the box. So yeah, definitely F must in the bracket. Right? Because F is the last function. And then you put G, which is 2x plus 5. So 2 6 is 12. 2 times negative 1, that's negative 2. Remember this, guys. You have 2 negative and 5 positive. So we have 3 positive. So the answer would have been 12x plus 3. Let me check it now, Mary. Alright, so f of x equal 5x plus 8, g of x equal 2x minus 6, and we are asked to find gf. So we can see that f is the last function. So write back all of x, which is 5x plus 8. Put that in brackets, and then we're going to write back our g. We're going to write back our g, which is 2x minus 6. Alright, so we can multiply 2 times 5, that's 10. 2 times 8, 16,
It's
positive
not
6.
showing on our screen, sir.
Oh,
I don't know.
that's for everyone?
No, sir, it's showing on mine. I'm seeing
Showing
it.
on mine.
Okay. Come here, say. It has a,
I'm
because
seeing it, sir.
alright. Other person have a problem, man, because it has a screen sharing. So 16 take away 6. That would be 10. You see it now? I can rejoin, you know. So technology. Be trouble sometime. Because I want to show an example. So rejoin so you can see this. Good job, guys. Everybody get it. So I think it's a good time for just make it a little bit more challenging. But to be honest, no more challenging, easy same way. You just have to follow the rules same way. Change the ink to black. Alright, let's go. Alright, she's back. So I could got it now. As I said, guys, it's basically the same thing. It's not really hard. So let's say we have f of x. Sometimes we can give in a fraction form like this. Just a 9, since I this form out to be a 9. And then we have like g of x. Alright, let's say we wanted to find gf. Same rule, nothing no change. Alright, so write back all of f first, which is 3x plus 5 over 9. Put that in bracket. The only thing we're interested about it, guys, is really the top we are going to multiply. So it will be 2 and then plus 1. And then we can expand 2 3s 6, 2 5 10, and then we add the 1. So it's like all over 9. So it will be 6x plus 11 all over 9. And that will be our answer. I'm going with this. So now, oh, somebody has to stay safe. Alright, so we have g of x equal to x plus 1, right? So g is the last function. So we're going to write about the last function. Not change. Same rule. That in bracket. And then we do the same now. But now we're going to write back f. Now f says 3x. Remember, this is our x. So 3x plus 5 divided by 9. So no change. 3 2 6. 3 1s 3. Plus the 5 all over 9. So simplify the top. 6x plus 3 plus 5, that's 8 over 9. And that's it. So f must come first, right? Which is 5x plus 9. And then, of course, we have g. G says 2x plus 3 divided by 8. So 2x plus 3 divided by 8. Now we expand the bracket. 2 5 10. 2 9s 18 plus 3. 18 plus 3, that's 21 over 8. That's our answer. Alright, I want to show
And
you
the same
guys
one with
something
the
else. We
answer.
cannot go back to the simpler form, but let me just show you that. You can clear board because I think we're going to get to do now. Alright, let's look at this example, guys. Very simple sum. I know some students like to do it their way, not a problem. Alright, what if they ask us to find f g negative 2, for example? Very simple, right? All we do, we can combine the two functions just like what we've been doing. So write back the last function and then write back f. So it's a lot of practice. So it's 2x plus 5. So 2 6 is 12, 2 8 16 plus 5. So it will be 12x plus 21. But we don't finish, right? Because it says wherever x is, put negative 2. So it will be 12 times negative 2 plus 21. 12 times negative 2, that's negative 24 plus 21. The 24 is bigger, so we subtract, keep sign of the bigger one. So that work out to minus 3. So whenever they give you this, it always work out to a number. Because you're going to replace x with the particular number. But we still combine and find fg of x or whatever they may ask. And that's it. I think we have 5 minutes. We can do another 5. Alright, so h, that's our last function. So write back all of that, 2x minus 1. And then write f in terms of it. So f says, what's wrong with this? So we have 5x plus 4. 5 2s 10. 5 times negative 1, negative 5. Remember guys, the 5 is bigger, right? So definitely it's going to leave more negatives than positive. You have 4 positive. Each positive will cancel a negative, that leaves negative 1. And then of course, I put negative 1 for x. 10 times that, negative 10 minus 1. So that's negative 11. Alright. So guys, we're going to end here.
Sir, one question.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Alright. So you know why me never write the negative at the level?
Tell me.
Because me I said negative and negative, you're positive.
But that's when you're multiplying. This is adding.
Oh,
This is the same thing as well, Andy. This is the same thing as saying negative 10 plus negative 1. Remember, this is not multiplying or dividing. Alright?
Oh.
Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead.
that's what I did. I said 10 ones 10. That's why I didn't get 11.
No, but you remember you go minus the one after. So even though you get the minus 10, you go minus 1 after. Add the minus 1. You see?
Okay.
Yeah, so negative 10 and then minus 1, which is right here. That is going to give you a negative 11. Because it's as if you are saying you have negative 10 things. Let me just write it. And then minus 1. There's no positive to cancel it out, so you add all of them. So you have negative 11. Alright?
Okay, sir.
Alright, so take care, guys, and let's see if we can do the
So you
class.
can give me some to practice?
So, sir, you confirm it tomorrow for tomorrow?
Yeah, we must have class tomorrow based on what is happening.
Oh, well, we never know. Well, persons are saying they want to have it 12:30. If that works for
Want to have it
everybody,
what time?
12:30, an idea. If that works for you, it works for me,
Okay.
guys. Because,
Yeah,
yeah.
but as I'm saying, that would work for most of us. But what if we don't have any lights? So just give us some to
But
practice.
no time will work for us then. Yeah, understand? If 12:30 no work for we, and like 7 go work, I will send them, man. I will send them.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.
All right, sir.
All right. So take care. Stay safe, everyone. All right.
You too. Everyone stay
Yeah,
safe.
All right,
definitely.
and keep safe, everybody.
Yeah, man, definitely. I got check out what I'm funny. All right.